So briefly, I want to talk about dot functions in Excel. So a perfect example of this is if I do equals standDev, you'll see that it has a little, it's really hard to see, but it's got a little exclamation next to it. And what's happened over time is the standard deviation formula has evolved with Excel over the years as Excel has come up with more updated editions. So there's some dot functions in here with standarddev.p, which represents standard deviation based on the entire population, versus standarddev.s, which is for a sample. Now the standard deviation formula, this one, it's compatible with Excel 07 and earlier, and it estimates standard deviation based on a sample. So it does exactly what standarddev.s does. And standdev.p, which does it for population, is the same as standdev.p. So you may ask yourself, well, why do they keep it, etc.? Well, they just want to make sure that individuals that might be bringing in really old Excel files, those functions will still work. And something that you can do to make sure that that your file's compatible with earlier versions or vice versa, etc., is running something called the Compatibility Checker. So if I go to File, and if I go to Info and check for issues, and then I can check compatibility, it will tell me there's a minor loss of fidelity from Excel 97 to 2003. So if it's saved in an earlier format or open an earlier version of Excel, some features may not be available, such as some of the cell and style formattings that I've done. So this isn't that big of an issue. But while I'm here, I'll go ahead and check compatibility when saving the workbook, or I can copy it to a new sheet, and then you can kind of look and see, well, what would it look like in other versions.